everyone, and welcome back to Microsoft Word full course in part 4. In previous, part 1, part 2, and part 3, we learned the basic of Microsoft Word, like formatting tools, inserting contents, from here, inserting pictures, tables, and also we learned on document navigation, on view navigation here, how to navigate with a large document. But today we're going to move to the professional level. In this video we will learn 4 items, in Microsoft Word part 4, how to create multiple letters using mail merge. We use this mail tab, you see, start mail merge, and we're going to learn how to insert an automatic table of content. We'll use this references tab and use table of contents, and also we'll learn how to use a section brick like a pro. We'll use this layout tab. You can see here there is a bricks, and also we learn how to protect your document from editing. We will be using this review tab. So as you can see, we're going to learn about layout, references, mailing, and the review. These 4 tabs, how to use them correctly like a pro. So stay tuned. And if we wanted to use Microsoft Word for office work, school reports, or business document, this video is extremely important. So let's get started. Let's start with a mail merge. And what is really mail merge mean? Mail merge allows you to create one document and automatically generate many personalized copies. Example, as you can see here, I have 100 personnel on this sheet, which means that I have here, you can see, I have 100 personnel, and I want to generate one email that will be used to all of them. So you can see in the first column I have first name, second last name, address, city, and Gmail. It means that everyone will get one copy. You can see here we have this letter. You want to send 100 letters to different people. You can see that in the sheet and that I'm showing you, I have 100 people. So instead of typing each name manually, Microsoft Word can do it for you automatically. That's where mail merge comes from. And then to handle mail merge, you need 5 steps. Guys, I have created a script for you, not guide, but I'm not going to use it, but for your review and revise it, I have created. Let me zoom in. If you want, you will pause the video and try to write it down. First, prepare data in Excel, as you can see. Second, write your letter in words. And step 3, start mail merging. Step 4, insert mail merge feeds. And step 5, preview and finish. This is like a theory, but I'm not to use it. I'm going to do it practically. Now for my side, I don't need it. Let me delete it. And here we have this only image. As you can see, the first step is to create an Excel file and name it, save it. It depends what you want, but you must save it. This is step 1. Step 2, you write your letter in Microsoft Word. You type. This is a sample of letter that I have prepared for you in order to guide you how to do it. But never type a name here manually. Don't type manually. You are going to use mail merge to deal with. And step 3, you come here to mail merge tab and start mail merge. As you can see, it is here. Click on it and then select writer. Then select recipients here. Select use an Excel file. For this case, choose your Excel file where you save it. And that you remember everyone, because this is please choose Excel file that you have already created. Then click OK. We are done with step 3. Let us move on to step 4. We are going to insert merge fields. You can see merge fields here, but I'm going to put my cursor here where I'm going to insert my name, first name, or other item. So click here and you click on first name. You can see just insert it, and also come here again, last name. I'm going to also type address, city, and also email. Control V. You can see I'm going to insert cursor is here. I'm going to insert address, insert, and also address. You can see select it. Come here again on city, select city. I click on it. On email, you come here again. I click on it. Email is selected. As you can see, this item, this symbol comes automatically when you select it. Do the same with other fields like address, city, like what I'm doing here. And here you are done with step 4. Let us jump to step 5 with finish with preview. Or you can start clicking. If I click here on preview, do you see preview? This is like step 5, but it's not really last one. But let me click on it. You will see the name will appear here automatically. You see, this is the first name. I can space a little bit, and also here space a little bit. You can see Dear Jackson Karen. Address is 857 Main Street, City, Chicago. And I can see on the email is this. If we try to look in my Excel file, this is the first address that want to appear. And if I click also on the preview, they come back here. You see preview, it says come back. Then let me jump to final step, which is step 5, preview and finish, which is here, finish merge. You click on it, finish and merge. You see the icon here, click on it, and then select print documents or edit individuals. Also, the words will create all personalized letters instantly. This is a very powerful office skill. This is the end of this step of mail merging. First one, we start with start mailing merge. Second one, select recipient. The third step is on insert merge fields, and also step number 5, which is preview. This is number 4. Number 5, finish with merge. Then you can select one of them, which is edit individual document or print, and so on. As you can see, guys, I've just logged into my email with Jackson Karen. You can see is one of the broadcasters that I showed you of mail merging. You can see I received an email. As you can see, it is here. This is the title I put. It's a sample of email merging, and you can see this is Dear Jackson Karen. As you can see, address is, it looks like what I've mentioned to the word version that I was dealing with. You can see it is real, as you can see on the dashboard. We've just done with email merging. Let us jump to table of content. As you can see, this table of content is already created, but I'm going to delete it and show you how to insert it. This is table of content. It is created automatically, but I'm going to show you how to insert it. Before creating a table of contents, you must look if all titles are managed in different headings. For example, main title in heading is number 1, subtitles heading number 2, and to deal with it, it's very simple. You click on it, as you can see. If I click on it, and if I go to home, in the style, I can insert it in heading 1. As you can see, it is done. And for this case, on overview, it will be heading number 2. We'll come back to style, heading number 2. And for the topic, it will be on heading number 3. But it does remain on heading number 2. This one, heading number 1, heading number 2, heading number 2. And if you're already done selecting titles on heading number 1, overview, heading number 2, topic on heading number 3, then you are at there. It's on the next step of creating your table of contents. As I said, the first step is to select a title and put them in different headings. Chapter in heading number 1, subtitles in heading number 2, and then you go to a reference. As you can see, it is here, a reference. First of all, let me put a cursor here. This is where the cursor is. Then you go to references and select table of content. Do you see? It is here. After selected, it is going to create automatically our table of content, and select content headings number 1. Do you see? It is automatically created. This is our table of content. It is automatically created. If you try to see how it look like, you come to view and click on navigate panel. As you can see, it is here. You see how it is. You see chapter. You see, if I scroll down, you can see how it looks like when you have already inserted a table of content. If that scroll down, you see the table of content. It was created automatically. This is only 2 steps. First step, you select title and put it in heading number 1, subtitle heading number 2 or heading number 3, depends on what you want. If you have a lot of subtitles, you put them in different subtitles as it is mentioned on here in home, style, and select between here, and then you click OK. The second step, you go to reference and select table of content, then it's going to appear automatically. To look if it has already mentioned very well, you come here on view and you click navigation panel. You can see how the table it looks like and how the table of content looks like. When you want to update your table of content, if you have already inserted another document or another content in your document, you come on this table of content, right click on it, type and right click on it, you will see update the table, or if you click here also, it will going to update automatically what entire table, and you click OK to update automatically. That's how you update the table of content when you have already inserted some content. This saves a lot of time and everything updates automatically. Guys, if you are still watching, you are on right track. Let us jump to our point number 3, how to use a section brick like a pro. A section brick, you're going to find it in layout. As I said before, this is a section brick. What is really a section brick? Think of a Word document like a book. Normally, all pages, as you can see, all pages share the same layout, same orientation. This one share same header and the footer. If you come here on insert, header and the footer, and also share the same page numbering. If you number a page here, all documents are going to share the same page number. But a brick section, as I told you before, here, a brick section, divide your document into parts. Each part, a section, can have different orientation, as you can see here, different margins, and also different header, and also different page numbering. So it's like creating documents inside one document. This is like a theory. Let us do a real example. So we're going to do an example landscape in the middle. Imagine page 1, we have a normal portrait in the text, and the page number 2, which is if you have a big table, you will need a landscape, and the page number 3 back to portrait. So I'm going to do this real example. You will see how to want to break and also to handle these bricks in Microsoft Word. Then, practicing page breaks, let's use a real example of this document. As you can see, it has only 3 pages. Then I want this page number 2. You can see page 1, page 2, and page 3. Only page 2 will be in landscape. As you can see, all document is in portrait. So I'm going to the end of page number 2. Page number 1 here. As you can see, this page is my cursor. I put it here, and I come to, as you can see, layout, and then I click breaks. Scroll down, you can see page and section here, and then click next page. You can see only page number 2 is in new section. As you can see, after clicking creating a new section, the cursor is here, and then you go back to the end of page number 2. As you can see, the cursor, I put the cursor here and do the same. I go back to the breaks, select next page, and in the section breaks, I select the next page automatically. As you can see, the cursor goes down here. From now, page number 2 and the page number 1, page number 2, and the page number 3, each one has each section. So which means that page number 2 is in his new section. So I click anywhere in page number 2. I come here and put it in landscape. I come here. As you can see, this page number 2 only has a landscape format. As you can see, page number 1, portrait, page number 2, landscape, page number 3, portrait. If you are still watching, you are right there. Let me give you a theory on the do it tutorial on. This is a theory how to do it. You can pause the video and try to write it down and try to do this in this Excel. Let me zoom in so that you can see it. This is step 1. Go to the end of page 1. Click the end of page. This is step number 3. Go to the end of page 2. Step number 3. Change orientation. This is how to see the section. This brick has 3 steps. You will do it by using layout tab, using these bricks option that you can see here. This is a theory as you can see. Let me scroll down a little bit. Scroll down. As you can see, step 1, step 2, and step 3, and you are right. The next point that I want to cover is how to protect your document from editing. As you see here in the home tab, but to deal with it, you go to review tab, and as you see, you can see here there is protecting document. If you click on it, you will see an arrow of this is icon of a padlock. Then you click on it. As you can see, you scroll down on number 2, you tick editing restriction. Tick allow only this type of editing. Then you tick it. After ticking, you see on number 3, yes, start enforcing protection. You will see a dashboard where will be asked password. Enter a new password of optional. Let me type a default one and re-enter password to confirm. As you can see, the password is entered. Then you click OK. At this time, your document is protected. As you can see, guys, this document is protected, and you can't change anything about it. It is protected. If you try to click on space, you can't edit this document. As you can see, you can't edit, but for stopping protection, you click here, click on it, and they ask you to put a password and protect a document. Then you put the password that you have want to put in, and then you click OK. At this time, you can see the document is unprotected. But also be careful. If you forget the password, you can't recover it. Once you forget your password, the document is gone. And congratulations. Now you are not just a beginner in Microsoft Words. You are learning professional level tools used in Microsoft Office and the companies. And in part 4, we learned mail merging. This mail merging, how to create a table of content automatically. We learned also section breaks, and also learn how to protect a document. In the next part of our video, we will go even deeper into advanced formatting, templates, and the productivity tricks. If you found this, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to master Microsoft Words. Thank you for watching. See you in part 5. Ciao, ciao.